A gang of bachelor male langurs has come to challenge the resident alpha male. This alpha rules over a valuable urban territory. But maintaining dominance here is a constant struggle. The bachelors have united to try and overthrow him. He has chased half the bachelors away. It's a hard life for him in the city. Keeping the intruders away is a daily challenge. Here in the Temple Gardens, the langurs have, over centuries, developed a surprising relationship. One that guarantees them a constantly replenished source of food. The people here associate langurs with the Hindu god Lord Hanuman and revere them. They're given all the food they can eat. And this high-energy diet has led to a baby boom. Female langurs in this city give birth to twice as many young as their forest counterparts. This mother is so well fed that her rich milk can support something rarely seen in the wild: twins. The rewards of living in a city can be huge. The challenge is to find your niche.